Welcome back guys, and in this video I will quickly cover how to clear your storage in your mobile. How to clear storage. I have been asked this question by many of the users, so just I will tell you. It is not very much things. Go to the settings, then go to the search here storage. STOR storage. It is battery and device care. In battery and device care, so all the data will come here. Here you can see that 52% is being used in my mobile. Out of 128 GB, 67.54 GB has been used. Here you can see the things which are here, videos and all the things, audio files, documents. You can, by clicking it, you can see here recycle bin. You are seeing here that 4.89 GB is used in recycle bin, and unused app 14 GB, duplicate files, then large files. So suppose by deleting these files you can make storage in your phone. Go to the gallery and here you can edit and select the video you do not want. In recycle bin, those videos will be there who has been deleted it, so select all and delete. So see, 4.9 GB data has been saved. Now by this way you can clear all the contacts, messages and unused app. Here you are seeing that approximately 14 GB apps have been used. 14 GB space has been used by these unused apps. So by selecting here all, you can delete. So I will not delete because I will use some app. Duplicate files you can use. You can delete the large files also for here. Just select large files and delete all. Move to recycle bins. Here you are witnessing that I have deleted almost 20 GB data in front of you. By this way you can make space in your phone. You can use your phone by better way. So this was quickly I want to tell you. If you like this video, thank you very much guys. Thanks a lot. Please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you.